What you're seeing right now is VO2, the most advanced video model available on the market today. And I have prompts with the video that it has generated, and I just have a couple of clips here that I generated before starting to record this video. The results are absolutely mind-boggling, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to get access to this completely free. So generally this will cost 35 cents per second, but again, you can get access to this model completely free. And the detail is mind-blowing. You can see all the facial expressions, you can see people playing hockey, you can see all the physics come to play and just how it works. I really like the wide shot of the 40-year-old white woman with brown hair looking at her bills in frustration while sitting in her kitchen. Because if you look closely, she would probably have more money if she didn't keep buying fridges. It is not perfect, though. You can see this one here where playing ice hockey, one person skating with a puck bumps into another person and the puck flies into the net. You can see that this one is a little bit glitchy. So the player becomes a goalie, and in the process, the player is able to absolutely destroy the other team's player. I don't know exactly what happened, but it is AI video generation. And before we get into it, don't forget to click the subscribe button because I cover AI content each and every single day so you can stay up to date with the latest and greatest AI and never miss out. You can access Google VO two ways. So the first way is through Vertex AI. Using this method will cost you 35 cents per second of video generation, and this is the method I've been using until I found this trick to get access to VO2 on AI Studio anywhere in the world. If you go to aistudio.google.com, on the left you'll see I have video gen as an option, and the way I got this is simply by having a US-based Google account. So create a Google account with a US address and you'll have video gen, which will give you access to some credits to make videos each and every day completely free. On the right, we can pick our settings. So we only have one model right now. We can pick the number of results. We can decide the aspect ratio and a video duration. These options here, resolution and frame rate, is coming soon, and we also have access to a negative prompt. The first prompt we're going to use, and we're going to do a little flashback here, is this one. So I used this prompt in an old video trying it with Amazon Nova, and you can see the results here, and I have a whole bunch of different prompts I used throughout this video. So let's go back here, and our prompt is going to be a very simple 2 sports cars racing down a winding mountain road at a sunset. I have played around with a lot of different video generators. I think VO2 might be the fastest I've played with to date, especially considering it is all completely free as long as you have a US account and you're using AI Studio. It is all done. We can make it large view and we can hit play, and here is what it has made. So there's our 2 cars going down a mountain. It is absolutely incredible. You can see the sun in the back. So let's just play this again. You can see there's no sun, and then the sun appears. You can see the reflection in the back right here on the right. So that looks fantastic. The mountain, the cars, the wheels spinning, and the physics of the cars moving over. It slides a little bit unrealistic, but overall it is pretty good. And you can see the little glare on the camera effect. Pretty impressed for a first try, but let's try another prompt that I tried way back when to see how it compares. So our prompt for this one is a curious cat wanders onto a keyboard clicking the subscribe button. So we can see the cat, it is clicking a subscribe button, but it's like literally on the keyboard. I wonder what VO will come up with. So this one is done. Let's see what we have come up with. And we have a super realistic looking cat pushing keys on a keyboard. And yes, it even licks the keyboard. So this one looks really good. The cat looks phenomenal. There is no subscribe button. I didn't know exactly how it would pull that off. Maybe it'd like pan to the monitor and show the cat clicking subscribe. But you're not a cat. You can do it. You can click subscribe. Or if you're a cat, still click it. Do it. Now, this prompt here from Amazon Nova was probably my favorite. It is a steampunk library where books float through the air, so you can actually see like birds and a really cool looking library. There is no books floating, so hopefully Google VO can fix this. Okay, I'm very excited about this one. What does it look like? We have books that are floating or flying through a absolutely amazing looking library. This video is phenomenal. Way better than the other one from Amazon Nova, which was months ago. VO2 is living up to the hype. this is amazing. We also have this one here. A human space ranger and a kangaroo space ranger arrive on a planet filled with flowers. So you can see they are both on the planet. There is flowers, but they are just kind of floating through. So can VO make this one better? Here it is. It is all done. Good timing and play. So we actually see the human and the kangaroo hopping through the flowers. The physics aren't the best because the kangaroo's foot is going through some of them. You can see here, but it's not the worst because it actually does push some of the flowers. They just bounce back. So you can see the human, the kangaroo, they're running towards you. We have clouds, trees in the back. It looks pretty solid, all considering. It is better than before with both of them just kind of floating through. In this video alone, all the individual 8-second clips, and you add up the total cost based off 35 cents per second, I have spent easily $35 to $40 in this video alone already in just AI generated videos using VO2, but the output is probably the best out of all AI video models currently available. Let me show you one last example with text. So this time around, I prompted it, text Franklin AI, red and white themed fancy. And we can see here it has messed up the spelling of my name, and spelling is something that these models generally have a hard time with. But let's play it, let's see how it looks. And we have Franklin AI, and wait a second, let me go back. 1 second. The I morphs to an A. If we let this play at like the 3-second mark and just kind of ran it through from there, it's usable. It's not terrible, but I wish it was fixed from the start. Maybe the text would be more fancy, but again, I just have to prompt it accordingly. What are you using VO2 for? Do you have access? If not, you can get access now. Just create that US account and you can start using it completely free and use your free credits, generate your free videos each and every day, and enjoy. Let me know in the comments below, what have you generated? Anything you like? Is there any models, any better video models? And there might be, and if you come back and watch this video in the future, there probably is going to be something better. These video models and just AI in general gets updated so quickly, and the best way to stay up to date is by subscribing to this channel here. And don't forget to like the video because that tells the YouTube algorithm you enjoy this type of content and you want to see more of it. The last thing I want to mention is merch. We have a cool merch store now. You can buy all sorts of really fun AI-based shirts, or you can even support the channel with the official FAI branded t-shirt like this one. You can even get the official franklina.com t-shirt like this one, which is absolutely stunning and beautiful, so you can represent the channel out in public, because I know you all want to do that. And if you don't like the branding of this one, definitely go check out AI Dana because she's the best. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.